how to wrap text around images in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Word first, and you can see that the image is on the top and the paragraph is on the bottom. Now, do you want the image to be on the right side and the paragraph to be on the left side, right next to the image, but you don't know how to format it? Then you're in the right place. It's really simple. What you need to do is just tap on the image, and then you will see an option appear on the side, and then you just these are the layout options that you will be able to use to change the layout. And now you can see various options, so you can see in line with text and with text wrapping. So in text wrapping, you can see how the image will look like if you tap on it. So I'll tap on through, and you can see now the paragraph has been sent to the right hand side. Now you can even change the formats, and then you can choose any format that you want to. It's really simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.